In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Pipedrive account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to reach the right place to request a permanent account deletion. First, make sure you're signed in and on your Pipedrive homepage. Take a moment to confirm that you have the right level of access for this task. In many cases, only the account admin or account owner can request deletion. If you're not sure which role you have, you can still follow along, but be ready for support to verify your permissions before they proceed. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the quick help icon. It's the small question mark. Click that to open the help panel. This is your shortcut to Pipedrive's support resources and documentation, and it's the fastest way to find the exact article you need. Inside the help panel, you'll see a search bar. Type delete account into the search field. This will pull up related help articles. You're looking for the article titled, "Can I delete my account?" Click that result to open it. This article explains how account deletion works, and importantly, it points you to the correct place to submit your request. Once the article is open, scroll down a bit until you see the option to contact support. Click Contact Support. That button will route you to Pipedrive's official support channels, where you'll see their available contact methods and hours of availability. Choose the method that works best for you, such as live chat or submitting a request. From there, tell them you want to permanently delete your Pipedrive account. Support may ask you to confirm some details and verify your role on the account for security reasons. Answer their questions and follow any final prompts they provide to complete the request. A couple of quick reminders while you're in touch with support. Deleting an account is permanent and data is typically not recoverable afterward. If you need records for compliance or reporting, make sure you've handled that before confirming deletion. Also, if your goal is simply to stop being billed without removing everything, let support know so they can guide you on cancelling a subscription instead. That's it. Start on your homepage, open Quick Help, search for Delete Account, open Can I Delete My Account, then click Contact Support and submit your request. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently navigate the process.